Did you know that just 1 minute a day can boost your English skills? Hit subscribe and start learning with Daily English Prism.
Hello again, learners. Mr. 745 here from the Learning Station.
And I'm Princess from Earth. Are you ready to explore 10 outdoor activities in English?
Let's describe each one clearly. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
She is jogging in the park.
Jogging means running slowly for exercise. It keeps the body healthy.
The boys are playing football.
They look active and focused. Football is a team sport.
The boy and girl are skating together.
They're wearing helmets and holding hands. Safety first.
He is cycling near the lake.
He enjoys the fresh air while riding his bicycle.
They are hiking up a hill.
Hiking is walking long distances in nature. It's a great workout.
The two girls are playing badminton.
They use rackets to hit a shuttlecock over the net.
She is doing yoga in the morning.
Yoga helps the body stay flexible and the mind calm.
The team is playing basketball on the court.
One player runs fast and passes the ball. His teammate shoots and scores.
He is climbing a rock wall.
Climbing needs strength, balance, and courage.
Two women are playing frisbee on the beach.
They laugh and take turns throwing the disc. It looks relaxing.
Let's review some useful English words and phrases from today's activities. Jogging means running at a slow and steady pace. Focused means paying full attention. Helmet and protective gear are used to stay safe during sports. Fresh air refers to clean outdoor air, which we often enjoy during cycling or hiking. A shuttlecock is the object hit back and forth in a game of badminton. Flexible means able to bend or stretch easily, especially in activities like yoga. Shoots and scores is a common phrase in basketball that means a player has successfully made a goal. To take turns means that people do something one after the other, not all at once. Balance and courage are important qualities needed for challenging sports like climbing. Don't forget, we also practiced pronunciation and grammar using simple present and present continuous forms. Try repeating the sentences at home with a friend.
Thanks for joining us at Daily English Prism. Keep practicing English in fun ways every day.
Give us a like, subscribe now, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching Daily English Prism. See you in the next episode.